Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and as you may have seen, we did a review of a Hawaiian ice shaving machine. So now I need the rest of everything that goes with it, and this is the perfect kit. I'll tell you why it's the perfect kit. Let me show you. Because what could be more fun than the straws that have the little shovels at the end that you get like when you go get ices at the store? I love that. Look, it's got the genuine like little cones, the little shaved ice cones. For me, this is the perfect setup. It only comes with 3 flavors, but these are really the flavors I'm gonna have. It's got cherry, it's got grape, it's got the blue raspberry, the classics. I'm not really like a orange mango twisted, no. Cherry, grape, blue raspberry. What else does a boy need in the world? It comes with the tops for these to make them quick pour, so they pour neat and easy. And I will say, in terms of value, these are giant containers of sugar water. Like, I'm not sure, short of a party with 10-year-olds, not sure how long this would last, but it would be a long time. This is a really, really good value.